Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show you how to add MatchBox bot to your Discord server. So guys, actually to add your server this bot, you'll have to do is going your server Discord bot and the server, going to the top left and click on the server name on the drop down menu, and here down click on the setting. After that, when you click the settings server, you're going to left and scroll down up direction, directory, and you're going to select this from search bar. So when you go to search bar, guys, click on the MatchBox on the search bar. After that, you can go into enter search bar. Here, first thing to do is click on this one right here and server option, select and make sure to go to correct server and choose the correct server. After that, select and click continue and authorize all this and select you are human. I am a human option, and now you can see this you are added on your server. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.